Hey guys, so before we just proceed further, so what I just want to teach you is very important thing. So guys, whenever we use let's say ChatGPT type of tools, whether ChatGPT, Google Gemini, okay, or any other AI tools, and when we generate some content, okay. For example, if I just go here to ChatGPT and I can say, hey, write me a story, okay, a story in let's say 150 words. Okay, so if you are a SEO expert, or if you are writing for Medium or any other platform which you are using, and when you generate the content, okay, with the help of tools like ChatGPT, so in that case what happen is that, my friends, there is a big problem. If you just copy this content, right click and copy this content, and if you just go to this tool GPT-0, okay, just search for this, and if you see here, this is a website that is AI detector. Okay, so just click on this website, just use whatever you want, and oh sorry, you can just remove that, okay, paste it here, and when you will going to click on the scan button, okay, so it is saying to log in, so we can just log in, okay, to this, or you can even create your account with this particular tool. Okay, so this will going to detect whether that content which you have created is AI generated or not. So nowadays there is big companies who are using this AI detector tools like GPT-0. Okay, so now if you again paste the content which we have copied from ChatGPT, and when you will click on run scan, so you will going to notice, my friends, that it will going to say whether that content is AI generated or not. Okay, so it is taking some time, little bit amount of time. uh, okay, okay, so here you guys can see that sentence that are likely written by AI, so that is what this tool has detected. Okay, so this is the tool. Okay, or similarly like GPT-0, there are other many AI detector tools that are using this feature nowadays. Okay, and in future maybe Google will also going to implement this. So maybe if you're writing some content for let's say with chat gpt, okay, and if you are thinking that with this chat gpt I will going to optimize for SEO, and if I just going to write the blog, okay, with chat gpt itself, direct copy paste, so now that can be the problem. So what is the solution, my friends? So guys, solution is very much easy. We will going to use the tools that will going to convert the AI generated text into such a way that it feels like a human has written this concept or this content, not AI. Okay, so we will going to use human writer tool. Okay, so I will also going to provide the link of this tool. So guys, you can type this URL in your browser, everything in small, and I will also going to provide the link below. Okay, so do not worry, just tap on the link below, so you can just write everything in small, my dash link.in slash write human. Okay, click on enter button and you will go to this particular tool. Okay, so this tool will going to help us to write the AI content into a human perfection. So whenever you just copy anything, any content from chat gpt and use in this tool, it will really going to help you out. Okay, then basically it will just going to convert the AI generated content into a human written content. Okay, so that no tool can detect that you have generated the content with AI. So this is what you have to do. So just make sure that you just click on this sign up button. Okay, You can just sign up for free. Just go to this website, just sign up. That's it. Amazing, right? So this is how we have created the account. So you can of course use the free one. So whatever the content you have got from ChatGPT, just right click, copy that, and paste it over here and click on write as human. Okay, it will going to process the text for you, and this output may be flagged as an AI. Okay, there may be some AI detectors that still can flag your content. Okay, you will not be charged a request. Okay, humanize again. So this is a very powerful tool which I use. Okay, so here you can see human score 69.67%. Okay, so the thing is that even if you use this tool, okay, just copy that, and here you can see the enhance mode is turn off. Reason is that because in the free version that is not allowed. Okay, so if you will just go to this GPT-0, again it will going to detect, but now it will going to detect it less. Okay, because this tool what is you can also see that still it's saying 3% is AI generated. That is absolutely fine, but you can see majority of the content is now showing it is created with the help of you know human. So this is very powerful, and this is what this tool is. And of course when you will going to have their premium version, that is basic, pro, ultra, so you will also going to get the enhanced model. So the power will be too much, and it will going to show 100% human generated. So this is the power of this tool, my friends. Okay, so what you will going to do now, if you are interested, you can see only you can create up to 3 contents, okay, per month, and only 200 words are allowed. So that is the problem. So what you can do is that you can just go to pricing, and you can see they have monthly and yearly plan as well, right? So you can just pick any one of them, $9 per month, and it will be billed annually. And this is what I suggest you can save up to 33%. So as per your requirement, if you are interested, you can just go with monthly or yearly. I suggest to go with the yearly, and at least go with the basic plan. Okay, I'm not just promoting anything or such thing, because nowadays many companies, even medium, okay, where we can write the blogs and so on, so those are also implementing these AI detector tools like GPT-0 and other powerful tools to detect whether the content created by the user is generated with AI or not. If it will be generated by AI, they will not going to push your content, or they will going to ban your account, right? So that's why nowadays it is very much important to have the tools like Right Human that can help us to do these tasks. Okay, so in my case I will go with the yearly plan with the pro one. Okay, but you can even go with the basic as per your requirement, but I will go with the yearly one, so I can just generate 200 content per month. Okay, and 1200 words per request, right? And you can also access to the enhanced model. So when I'm recording, this is the enhanced model, and in future they will going to even create more amazing models, right? You will going to get priority and such support as well. So I will going to go ahead with that. You can use the free, but that will not going to very much helpful for you. So I will just go with the yearly one. Okay, and I will also suggest you guys to have this particular tool. Okay, so I will just going to click on the subscribe button. Okay, and after that you just have to put your card details. Okay, put your name and country. Okay, and you can just click on the subscribe button. Okay, so guys, you can see I have made the payment. Okay, and you can see congrats on joining the plan. Okay, click on take me to the home. That's it. Now you can always come do the same thing whatever you write with, let's say, chat GPT or any AI tool. paste the content here, and this will going to do the task for you. Okay. As we have taught you, this is a very powerful tool. You can see in free only it has done 100%. Okay, and the amazing thing about this particular tool is that it will not going to change the context. So whatever maybe content you have generated, SEO optimized content you have generated with the keywords and all, right? So that thing, the context, the main context will be same. Okay, it will not going to change anything, but it will still going to surpass all the AI detector tools. So you can just see the benefits here, okay, about this tool. Okay, and you can also read the FAQ, that will my AI writing will lose its original meaning after using. So you can just see all this thing, and I have already tried, I have already tested it. It works just amazing. Okay, so just try out this tool. It's very much mandatory when we have the tools like ChatGPT. Okay, this will going to help you to surpass or bypass the AI detector tools. So you can utilize this tool, and from this tool you can paste this content anywhere you want. Okay, whether it's in Medium, maybe on your blogging website, or anywhere. Okay,